It's the Techstination Week podcast. I'm Fred Fishkin. Welcome to the compilation of this week's Techstination reports and more. Envision is bringing its smart AI app designed to give more independence to the blind and visually impaired to the latest smart glasses created by Google. Co-founder and chief engineer Karthik Kannan says it's designed to be able to provide reading and voice cues about surroundings without the need to hold a smartphone, which is how the Envision app currently is used. The AI is very much like what's used in autonomous vehicles.
It uses the exact same technology. In fact, we have a feature within the Envision glasses called Find Objects, which allows you to look for different objects in your surroundings, and it works in a very similar way to how an autonomous car works.
Pre-orders are being taken now for the glasses, and you can test drive the smartphone app for free. Head to letsenvision.com for more. The 2020 editions of TurboTax have added new features that make tax preparation easier than ever, whether you use a smartphone, tablet, or computer. In fact, using a smartphone app can speed things along by letting you snap photos of W-2 or even 1099 documents. Lisa Green-Lewis is a TurboTax CPA and tax expert and says working with investments is easier too.
For the first time in 10 years, we fully redesigned our TurboTax Premier product, and we addressed some of these pain points. Now our customers can import about 1,500 investment transactions at one time.
And cryptocurrency transactions can now be imported as well. Filers with simple returns can even use TurboTax for free. The spread of the coronavirus is disrupting our lives in ways that would have seemed unimaginable just weeks ago. And for many, the loneliness of being separated from friends, loved ones, and even co-workers is difficult to deal with. But technology is helping to alleviate at least some of that. I know my spirits were instantly lifted when I got a video call, enabling me to virtually be with family members who are now working from home, going to school from home, even exercising from home, thanks to technology and the internet. Take advantage of those personal connections if you haven't already. Add video to that phone call. Let's hope our internet connections are up to the task of keeping us connected and providing all of that streaming entertainment as well. In the meantime, stay healthy. What role might autonomous transportation be able to play when it comes to providing mobility in circumstances like we're in now with the coronavirus? On-demand driverless transportation is available to some thanks to Waymo in Chandler, Arizona. And while most of Waymo's vehicles still use safety drivers, some of those contracted workers have concerns about being exposed to riders. And what about sanitizing truly driverless vehicles? At Princeton University, the faculty chair for autonomous vehicle engineering, Alan Kornhauser, says there are potential solutions.
Maybe there's an automatic sanitizing system that somebody's going to design for this. And so every time the vehicle is made empty, you sanitize the whole thing for 15 seconds.
Professor Kornhauser calls it an opportunity for innovation. Zoner Photo Studio X is the name of a program designed for organizing and editing your photos. And the company has helped users become better photographers too, with a variety of online tutorials. It's a very capable alternative to more expensive software packages and much more affordable at just $49 a year. It can handle all of the basics like manipulating exposure, sharpening, layers, and a wide range of effects. The latest update includes some advanced features like the ability to replace any color in an image easily. The software is also linked to the Zonorama online gallery that gives you unlimited space for storing and sharing images. For the price, the package is surprisingly capable, and you can see for yourself with a free 30-day trial at zoner.com. Those are our reports for this week. You can find a full archive of reports and complete interviews at Techstination.com. Thanks for listening. Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C. Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, Listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.